I understand it's very cold for you, but you heated it up today for all the other athletes. You ran a great race. You had some athletes around you at the beginning, shoulder to shoulder, and then you dropped them pretty much by yourself out there. It's lonely out there sometimes.
I dropped them in the same night. Yeah.
So, were you satisfied with your pace today, your performance?
Yes, and that was good because I improved my time from last year.
Yeah, you did. And so, do you think if you just keep focusing on this race, you can break 2:20 on this course?
Yes.
I thought you'd say that.
I hope I run under 2:20 next year.
You heard it right here. He's going to run under 2:20 in 2012. Peter Kemboy, congratulations. You are a champion today. We celebrate you.
Thank you.